Hey there, and welcome to Investing Guide. Crypto has been having an extremely rocky past few months, but is said to be back on the climb. Ethereum and Bitcoin may sit as the gold standard of the decentralized finance space, but there are rumors circulating that some of the lesser known coins are set to reach new heights. Of the coins, Cardano has been predicted to reach a coin price of $1,000. That is some seriously insane growth that is backed by some extremely surprising claims. This has shoved the Cardano project right in front of many traders, and has solidified it as a serious investment opportunity that investors should seriously be considering right now. Although there does exist many reasons behind this supposed climb to a $1,000 trading price, Charles Hoskinson, the controversial creator of Cardano, has shone an extremely interesting light on why exactly he believes his project is set to see this insane growth across the coming year. Thank you for joining us today at Investing Guide as we take a closer look at exactly why Cardano is set to reach unprecedented heights in the coming months, and what exactly the team behind the offering has in store, and what exactly Charles Hoskinson thinks about the many $1,000 predictions. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video, because we've definitely discovered some very surprising things that you need to hear about. Whether you consider Cardano a legitimate investing opportunity or not, you should definitely be aware of it and keep it on your radar. The upcoming milestones of this crypto asset could potentially shape the future for the DeFi space. Although Cardano is flooding international financial news these days, it isn't exactly a brand new offering. In fact, Cardano was launched in 2017, officially, and after a 2-year development process spearheaded by Charles Hoskinson. Hoskinson is actually a co-founder of Ethereum, and left the other successful offering due to some pretty serious disagreements about the running of Ethereum, mainly due to the acceptance of venture capital funds and the running of Ethereum as a for-profit entity. Although nowhere near the success of international acclaim of Ethereum, these recent rumors place Cardano as the forerunner to take over the entire crypto space. A public blockchain platform based in Switzerland, but open source and decentralized, and operating on the far superior proof-of-stake concept. The future certainly does seem bright for Cardano, although there does exist many negative voices. One of the biggest names in crypto influencer circles is David Hoffman, a serious proponent and huge investor of Ethereum, and he's got on record recently and publicly stated his distaste for the Cardano project. While there do seem to exist some scams and shady projects in the crypto space, Cardano can easily be considered a legitimate product, having operated so successfully for so many years. What exactly prompted David Hoffman, and what exactly are his claims and proof? Well, Hoffman picked up a lot of controversy by stating that Cardano is a blatant scam, one of the largest cryptocurrencies on the planet in terms of market capitalization, and claims such as this can be seriously damaging, especially to its public image. However, Cardano founder Hoskinson was not ready to take this insult lying down. Although he fears countless insults and horrible claims about the Cardano project daily, Hoffman's statements really annoyed him. He shot back and stated that David Hoffman's claims are extremely baseless, and went on to criticize the crypto influencer community, stating that these individuals are making disgusting and unsubstantiated claims about legitimate projects, and were a large reason behind why crypto is still being treated with hesitation to this day. Hoskinson went on to state that he understands that skepticism is important, especially in the world of crypto trading, but there is a line between due diligence and false allegations referring to people as criminals and projects as scams. Fortunately, Cardano and Charles Hoskinson are well known across the DeFi space. His voice can be heard when he attempts to defend himself. Imagine how many projects are shut down and remain falsely labeled as scams purely off the unproven words of these influencers. It's truly disgusting. Although Cardano and Ethereum trade at vastly different prices and cannot even be considered as competitors, the rumored increase to a $1,000 share price is set to see both projects on an even playing field, at which point Cardano has a serious technological advantage. Since its creation, the team at Cardano has taken an extremely close look at both the Bitcoin and Ethereum offerings, and aims to improve both of them, maintaining design principles with a strong focus on scalability, interoperability, and regulatory compliance. This has led Cardano to perform faster and more flexible in relation to Bitcoin, while remaining safer and more scalable than Ethereum. Currently trading at around $1.4 per coin from an initial market cap of $600 million, Cardano is already largely rumored to see a $100 trading price by the end of 2021. But for those speculative predictions to rise to a $1,000 trading price, Cardano and Ethereum have maintained an underlying level of competition from its creation. But perhaps the greatest advantage that the underdog, Cardano, has in its favor is the fact that the project has so much more room to grow. Cardano is yet to implement the revolutionary smart contract concept that has propelled Ethereum to new heights. Many traders are speculating that this will be one of the major factors in a $1,000 coin price. Cardano may not be leading the crypto offering, but is often considered as one of the top 10 cryptos on the planet, considering the lack of smart contracts, applications, app layers, assets, or even Uniswap trading, yet still remained a 10 crypto asset contender. Clearly, Cardano is set to explode upon the introduction of the smart contract system. These new features are rumored to be implemented across the coming year and shall add an incredible amount of value to the Cardano offering. The heavy focus and importance of crypto influencers across the DeFi space is also a serious problem. Their statement and claims are followed by millions in traditional financial trade. This market manipulation is seriously illegal. The crypto space is considerably less regulated, but as more and more institutional investors are entering decentralized finance, increased regulations are rumored to seriously hinder the progression and development of the Ethereum ecosystem, whilst heavily benefiting Cardano. This has led to speculation extending to an entire crypto market-wide reduction market cap. Surprisingly, Cardano and Charles Hoskinson maintain an extremely surprising stance on all this. But before we really get into it, please let us know what you think in the comments below. If our speculation is interesting, don't forget to share this along with your fellow crypto investors. And please hit that subscribe button. Charles Hoskin believes the implementation of a regulatory framework is vital. He goes on to state that this framework has been long overdue for a number of reasons, but primarily cites the shift in international governments and the lack of DeFi prioritization. Combine this with the lack of coordination and understanding, and it's no surprise that many national governments around the planet have avoided the growing importance of cryptocurrency as a legitimate financial marketplace. Hoskin says that this gross negligence is slowly compounding, and its negative effects are becoming increasingly more apparent. It has reached a point that a large number of investors maintain some crypto-related holdings, and a total market crash will definitely have an echoing effect across the traditional financial investment space. Hoskins has gone on to state that the Cardano coin price has never been of particular importance to him as a founder. Instead, he chooses to focus the efforts of the Cardano team on superior technology and an innovative business model, admitting that he considers Cardano as his life work and one that he desperately is driven to make a resounding success, and that is set to change the world and its financial landscapes, rather than just net investors some profitable returns. While looking at the flaws of other offerings across DeFi and innovating Cardano technology is seriously impressive and desirable, the Cardano project actually aims to go a step further. Hoskins and his team aim to utilize large investors in a trickle-down mentality, with smaller investors following suit. The introduction and announcement of strategic partnerships and quality allegiances has always seen incredible trading growth prices. But what exactly has Cardano got planned that could see a meteoric rise to a $1,000 per coin valuation? The start of 2021 saw Cardano trading per coin at around 20 cents, reaching 36 cents by the end of January, rising high to 1.32 across February, maintaining this valuation through April, and rumored to cross the $10 mark in the near future. With rumors in favor of $100 by the next year, could $1,000 per coin really be attained by the end of 2021? Most recently mentioned by the Nasdaq exchange as a cryptocurrency to be aware of, and following a Coinbase listing, even Mark Cuban went on to state, in particular regard to Cardano, that ultimately the value of these assets lies within their utility and marketing. The world is slowly becoming increasingly aware of the Cardano project. Currently sitting as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, this position is rumored to rise by another $200 billion. The community is clearly behind Cardano, currently maintaining an extremely stable and calm trading history, surprising for any crypto asset. Is the upcoming year set to see a skyrocket to $1,000? Charles Hoskins and the team at Cardano certainly believe so. While you're here, check out one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!